Oh, they get off point maybe?
Our Strange is still alive. Unfortunately, we can't even portal back. You gotta just stall. We're really gonna lose
Make it
this.
fat, Iron Man. It's fat!
Oh my god.
I don't know why we went to triple support, honestly. We probably
I don't know why we were on triple support.
Like what we had
I was wondering why it was taking me so fucking long to build my goddamn ult.
Like, damn,
Because we have 3 supports.
Oh, we also had a Penny just sitting on the side. He was
The Penny was
taking
fine.
damage.
The Penny is fine. Our Rocket needs to be avoided.
I think we just stay on double tank. Not gonna lie. I think we stay on Mag.
Our Rocket
Mag
needs to be
Strange.
avoided.
I agree, bro. Not in
I got him,
chat.
I got
Hill
him.
botting Rocket.
This Rocket is a goob.
What do you mean that's all I have to say? I gotta roll the R part too, no?
No. Un qué? That's it.
Why?
Dame un grr. Dame un grr.
Yo,
Un qué?
what does
Un
the
grr.
thing you're saying mean?
Give me a grr. You say a what? A grr. That's
Oh,
basically
I didn't
that's what I'm
get
saying.
it.
Dame is give me. Un a. Give me a grr. Give me a grr. Fuck Hollows, he isn't in the fucking chat. He let me die on the motherfucking point so many times cause awareness is shit. Fuck you, Rocket One Tricks. You're so annoying. That was so annoying. Ooh, yuck me up, see these motherfuckers glancing. We really just lost a free win. I don't know why he swats a triple support, and I don't know why Hollows is dog shit at the game. I hope he's on the other team.
Bad.
I hate Rocket One Tricks.
Hey man, why is there a GM2?
What kind of lobbies are we in?
Oh man.
No way, I'm back with this person again, bro.
Oh
Let me play
gosh.
Bucky this game. Let me play Bucky this game.
Well, we don't have a Rocket One Trick on our team. That's good.
We should hopefully win.
Yeah.
Who am I gonna banish from this?
Wait, Laiko, can I please play Bucky? Please? Please, twin?
Do not ban Rocket. Just ban Panther.
The Panther.
Pick your hero or villain. I'm not judging.
Wow.
I feel like avoiding Hollow just scratched the proper itch in my brain.
You can go back in. I'll go.
Fuck that Rocket player.
Like, this guy ain't real, is he?
Nah,
But
but
why is this kind of Rocket?
Are you good
He
on
rage
Wolf?
quitting?
I mean, I'm like 2 games off of Lord on him, so I'd say so.
Didn't you beg to play Bucky?
Yeah, but we didn't ban Wolf, so we'll play Wolf. I'm better on Wolf anyways.
Wolf.
Can you sing the theme song for Wolverine?
Before we had powers, we had each other. That bond is
He didn't even.
Baby, I'm praying on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals. Animals like animals. Moles.
wow.
That was beautiful.
No.
I love it.
Magnetism doesn't work
Yo,
on
why Cloak and Dagger got that
Holy
push
shit,
on,
Luis,
bruh?
why are you on Venom? I've never seen you on Venom. You still top 500?
The battle starts
Oh, you play on controller, TTV Rabbit? Oh,
You got a problem
That's
with
pretty
that?
much top 500.
you play on controller, buddy?
You got it, homie.
You got a problem with that?
Controller, beta.
Go Wolverine. Show these people how to play Wolverine, bro.
I can swap with you on Venom. I'm a top 3 Venom. Back in my prime.
We trolled a lot last game.
But I'm
Is your
washed.
prime 1.5?
I'm washed. No. My prime was like 2.5.
I'm healing you.
Venom's
I'm
the best
healing.
he's ever been right now, though.
Cast Plague. Luna.
You may not.
I'm trying to help.
Come back here, Sticky.
Icky.
Yeah, Venom.
Sport requires attention.
Get off of me, peasant. Oh shit. I just got
Oh, he's
punched.
playing with his homie, too.